Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a quick, easy install. I showed y'all how to do this flip over method with leave out, and it is a frontal wig, which is why it's like, girl, what a lace set. But y'all will see in the video how I did it. I actually do have a sew-in in right now, so if you know, have your hair down, you could just braid it down. You could get it to look, you know, probably even better, but really you can't even tell. Like, it's not giving lumpy or anything like that. So yeah, if y'all want to know where this hair is from and see me install it and everything, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so this hair is from Nadula hair. This is the box, and on the box it says be confident, be bold, be you. And then they sent a few goodies. So we got some lashes. Y'all know I always like to show y'all what comes. And then we got a bonnet. We also got an edge band, which is a leopard print with pink in it. So cute. Definitely about to put this in my wig bag. And then we also got a makeup brush as well. I'll probably give this to my baby to play with her makeup stuff. So yeah, super cute. You know, it's functional. You can use it, but I'll probably just get it to her. So this is the bag that the wig came in. This is a 24-inch, and I believe, yes, it's a body wave wig, and it is a frontal. I will have the info listed down below. Honestly, I'm gonna just tell y'all, I'm tired of lace. Like, I'm tired of lace, like, period. I'm just tired of lace. So I actually have a sew-in in right now, but I still wanted to do this video and show y'all how you can do it. Like, this is something that I would totally do and wear it out like this, and it's just really easy to hide, and you don't have to worry about the lace showing, none of that type of stuff. You can also leave the perimeter of your hair out and also pull it up and do like a ponytail and stuff too. So yeah, like, I think this was super easy. I just did it more so as a flip over. I definitely need to, you know, dye my edges because them little grays trying to pop through. So I did kind of camouflage those a bit, and also to hide the lace. You will see what I did in the video. But yeah, I just kind of wanted this pushed over, messy kind of look, but also it looks styled and slayed. You definitely can also go ahead and do your baby hairs on the other side as well, but for me, since I was going to be wearing it more so kind of like this, I did not do my baby hairs on this side, and I just curled this hair using this curling iron. It's just probably like a 1-inch regular clip curling iron, and then I did pin curl it, and it has set for several days because I just haven't did the video yet. But yeah, I think it turned out real good. Like, it actually turned out super cute, and this is a really good way to, you know, still wear your wigs. Like, you don't have to go and buy a new wig to do this with. But if you already have wigs and you're kind of like over the lace thing too, then you could definitely try this out and do, like, you know, a quick little easy style. Leave a little bit of hair out in the front, do a flip over, or whatever. So yeah, if y'all have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls. Okay, dolls, so this is how the wig looks. It's been pin curled up, so you can see I still have the clips at the top of the wig where the curls have been sitting. So they are definitely cool because it's been sitting for several days. So I'm just going to go through and kind of flat iron my edges and do a little curl in them so we can go ahead and style the edges. My hair was a little bit frizzy because it was about time for me to go ahead and do my wash. So I am going to just kind of run the flat iron through a little bit just to slick those areas down. And then I'm going to go in and start doing my edges. And I'm just doing a sideburn swoop and then a swoop here. And then you will see underneath that I'm going to do kind of like a little curly Q that is going outwards, and then also a swoop going backwards. And then that is it. You can do your edges on the opposite side if you would like to, but for me it was not going to show anyway, so it wasn't really necessary for me to do all of that. So you can see here I'm doing the swoop going towards the front with a little curl going to the front, and then I'm also going to do a swoop towards the back section as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my edges. Really simple and easy. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the other clips out of the wig so that we can go ahead and put it on and start to style it and everything like that. I did go in and cut off the lace. You can see how the wig is constructed. It does have an adjustable strap in the wig. It didn't have a elastic band sewn in the wig, but you can definitely add one to make it a little bit more secure if you are not going to be using any adhesive or spray or anything like that. excuse me, but I did not pin the wig down or anything like that. It did stay in place pretty good without having to pin it. But with this particular style, I would say just use some hairpins to secure it in place better so that it does not move on you. So you can see I left out a little bit of hair, and then I'm just kind of pushing it back and then leaving a little bit of hair out on the opposite side as well. And you can kind of see the lace on the wig a little bit now. Like if you really look, you can see it. It's still not that noticeable, but I can see it. So I am going to go in and camouflage that in a little bit, but I'm just going to use my mini flat iron to also flat iron out this side a little bit, because like I said, it was a little frizzy. Y'all, look at Amiri coming in with her little robot toy. She just be carrying all of her toys in my beauty room whenever I'm in here working or doing whatever. So yeah, you can see how the hair is looking. Like it's already coming together, and you can see the style of the wig. So on this side, I'm just kind of like pushing it over because I wanted that flipped over kind of look, and then I'm just going to work with the opposite side to see kind of like where I want to have it sectioned off it for it to go to either side. I'm not doing an actual part in the lace. You can do that if you want to, but it will take a little bit more camouflaging. Before the flip over type method, it's really easy to camouflage and hide it. So you can see here I'm just pulling out a little bit more hair anywhere where I feel like I need to have a little bit more hair down to hide the actual lace on the wig. So yeah, and then to further camouflage it, I'm just going in and kind of swooping my edges a little bit more anywhere where it's lifting, and just finishing up the baby hairs to make them look how I want them to look. And then I'm also going to go in and actually use eyeshadow to hide the lace on the wig. You can use any eyeshadow palette that you have. It doesn't really matter. You just want an eyeshadow that is like a dark brown or a black kind of color. So I'm just using a black eyeshadow to hide the band of the wig or the actual lace on the front part of the wig. And it's just eyeshadow, so you can definitely go back in and wash it and use this wig to actually put on as like a regular frontal wig. You don't have to worry about it being like ruined or anything. But it is kind of hard to see it, but I'm just concealing that front lace area so that you won't be able to see it at all, and it more so gives like a sew-in flip over type of method with this hair. And like I said, I'm just kind of over the lace thing. Like I'm more so feeling like sew-ins and stuff like that lately. So yeah, this is how the wig is looking, and this pretty much completes the styling of this wig. Super simple and easy. So if you are tired of wearing your lace wigs like regular, like glued down on your head, whatever, then definitely try this method to give your hairline a break and just give that more natural kind of look. So this is how the finished results of the wig is looking. I don't think I filmed an outro unless it got deleted, but I talked enough in the intro anyways. This is how the back of the wig looks. The curls are really pretty and everything like that, and I feel like it definitely gives flip over, sew in, quick weave type of vibes. And yeah, that pretty much concludes this video and the look. Stay tuned to see, you know, me just kind of playing on the hair a little bit more before we actually close out of the video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you try out this method, then let me know. I have tried this before with curly hair, so I will link that down below if y'all want to see how to do it with a curly unit. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching.